Hey chat, welcome back to the new stream. Just a minute, I forgot to launch uh, the chat. Just a minute, chat. I'll fix it. Yes, I think we are perfectly live now. We should be live. Yes, we are live, chat. I'll fix it. Yes. Hi Panther, welcome to the stream. ಹ್ಞೂ ಲೇಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆತು ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ದು ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೈವ್. ಅದು ಮೊಬೈಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ ಇವತ್ತು. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆರ್ ಲೈವ್. ಅದು ಮೊಬೈಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ ಇವತ್ತು. ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀಟ್ ಉಳಿಸಿರ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಲೇ ನೀನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀಟ್ ಉಳಿಸಿರ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ. ಮೊಬೈಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿದ್ದೆ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಲಘುನ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ. ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಜಗ್ಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I will be back soon, Hemant. I will be back soon. I know you are missing me a lot. We will be back soon. Yes. By the way, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೀಡ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ. ನಾವು 3 ಮಂದಿ, ನಾನು ನೀನು ಸುದ್ದೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. Kannada Creations is actually my friend from my college, Panther. Yes, we were solving the CP-31 sheet, 900 rated problems. We completed 800, right? We were actually in the 10th problem. Yesterday I couldn't come live. No, I couldn't start the stream because one of my friend came to my home. That's why I couldn't able to solve in the live stream. But I solved other problem, not the CP-31, because I have to maintain my streak, right? So that's why. So we are good to go with our 10th problem from CP-31. Yes, this was the interesting part of the stream. Now the boring part will start. Yes chat. Array bhai, 2 seconds ka hai. Okay, are we good to go, chat? We are good to go. Odd queries. You have an array A1, A2, AN. Answer Q queries of the following form. If we change all elements in the range AL to AR of the array to K, will the sum of entire array be odd? Sum of entire array be odd. Right here. Answer Q queries of the following form. Answer Q queries of the following form. If we change all elements in the range AL plus 1 R of the array to K, okay, will the sum of entire array be odd? Note that the queries are independent and do not affect future queries input. Q queries. So what are a queries? We have to understand them. Each element, if we change all elements in the range L to R of the array K, okay, of the array to K, will the sum of the entire array be odd? Okay, we will see the input what it has given. The first each testicle is multiple test cases. The first line contains the number of test cases. The descriptions of test cases follows. The first line of each test case contains two integers n and q. The first line of each test case consists of two integers n and q. N and q queries. The length of the array and the number of queries. Number of queries. So if we change all elements in the range al plus 1 till ar, ठीक है भाई, L and R are given of the array 2k. I'm not understanding just this part. We will take from this array, right? We will take from AL till AR. L and R will be given for us of the array to K. If we change all elements, if we change all the elements in range to K, will the sum of the entire array be odd? So this is the main array. We have to change from 2 to 3 and 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means 1 and this 3 3 2 3, okay, this will be 3 and this will be 3. So will the sum of these be odd, he is asking. Acha, it is one what is it is a one index, right? It's not zeroth index, one based index, okay. 2 and 2, it will be 3 and 3 will be 6 only, right? The sum would be ocha. We have to change it and we have to check whole array, not just two of them. We have to check whole array. If the sum of the entire array becomes odd, then it is yes. If not, then it is no. Okay, now we change from 2 to third index. I mean it is what we say, it's zero based index and one based index, right? So it is one based index. So this will be 2. 2 and 3 will be 3 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 11. 11 plus 2 will be 13. So it is odd. Yes. Okay, then then it's simple, right? We can just start write a code for it. So this will be 2 and 3. The 2 and 3 becomes 4. So basically we have to check, instead of adding everything we have to check it. First we have to check the sum of it, whether it is becoming odd or even. Odd or even. If it is odd, let's assume if it is odd, we will assume that it is odd, and these numbers are whatever the number be, it is odd now. Acha, then it will eventually be, it will change this sum again. If we add any other number in between, then it will change again. So it depends. So we have to change from the middle, right? So it changes some. Okay, we have to check We have to replace every array with that. Okay, it will take a very lot of time. Time complexity. What is time complexity for it? 2 seconds. Okay. Result. So the answer is yes. Okay. 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 Then we can. I think we can go for it. It's going perfectly, right? Yes. Of course. Of course. We should be like. The Python code was just for the simple purpose. Int x comma y will be input because two inputs are coming for us now. Now there will be a vector int c of length x, I guess. Yes, length x. Now, okay, after taking input for, we have, yes, we took this as input. Now then we can go here. No need to take a set, but we have to what, take input of other five conditions that we have to check whether it is making a proper sum is even or odd. We have to those input I have to take. Okay, let's take with three resource. Okay, int start, wait, start index, right? Comma end index and comma uh, number that we have to change. Then we'll take them as, for in loop we have to take them. Okay, for when j equals 0, y then j plus plus, have to take it, right? Let's check. Now we can, what we can do is, uh, no, we can't count it, but we have to take it as input. The loop, the condition will be here. Int start index and index val. Okay, no problem, we'll take it as a val. Cns cn val, we did it as cn val. Now point is, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. No, plus one, plus one. Start index minus 1, yes, it is correct. Minus 1. K less than end index, it's correct. K plus plus, we have to change k value plus equals, no, no, we should not change kc index k as plus value. We have to just change it. Instead of plus, we have to change it. Instead of plus, we have to change it to val. It's perfect. Yes. Now what we have to check is, uh, int sum equals 0. What we'll do is, sum equals accumulate c dot begin of c dot end of comma comma. Should we add a zero, chat? Let's add it. I'll ask it if sum of 2 equals 0. If it is odd, then we have to print it as s, right? Now it is taking it as even. C out, C out, no, because it's even, right? We want odd, we want odd, else C out, yes. Yeah, this should work, chat. The way that I have written the code, it should work properly. If not, we'll check. Okay, 2 is running. Okay, 2 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 2 3 3. Yes, it's running perfectly. 2 3 4. It's running perfectly. 155. Yes, perfectly. 4 9. Array. It should print no. It should print no, chat. Something gadbad happened, chat. Something gadbad happened. Array, it's printing everything for 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 3 8 13. Now it's coming. Okay. But there should be something that I should know. Is there any problem in end index? No, you should have told that out of index, right? But accumulate c dot, is it a c? Yes, it is c. Mm, accumulate function in C++. Just a minute, chat. I am checking whether I am writing it correctly or not. Uh, we have wrote it correctly. But there is something that we have to fix it, which we are not figuring it out. Okay, let's print what sum we are actually getting it. Okay, instead of writing the sum, we'll just see out see out our sum, what we are actually getting our sum. We can just figure out by seeing it, right, whether it is odd or even. 2 5 equals 5. 2 2 1 3 2. 2 3 3. 13. It should print yes. 2 3 4. 15. Yes. 155, right? 25. Yes. 149. 41. How many yes we got here? 1 2 3, right? So how we are getting? Then we have to print C. We have to check 149. 149, right? So 1 4 1 till 1 till 4, 1 2 3 4, we have to uh, 4 9 fours are 36 plus 2 is 38, right? And why it's not changing the value of k here? K value is 9, right? So 9, starting index minus 1 is 0 till end index is 4, 4 0 1 2 3 4. Should I change this till equals end index is 4? Then k will be, yes, I have to change this. I'll check it now. It's 13 now. Array, it's coming perfectly. It's even now. No, it should not do like this. It should not. It should not. But what we have to do is we have to figure out what we are doing it in a wrong way. The second index, right? Second index now it will be 2 3 3. Third index, right? Starting index is 2, right? 2 minus 1 index, okay. Starting from, okay. Now the end index is k. K less than equals end index. What is end index here is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Less than 3, okay. Then we see index k. Okay, okay, value will be on whatever we are adding it, right? So in it's okay. 2 3, no, 2 3 5, 8, 11 to 13, correct. 2 3 4 4 4 4 4 is 8, 10, 13, and 15, right? It will be 15, but why it's not working like that? Just a minute, check. Then why it should, let's check for 1 4 9. Now it's odd, but it should be even, right? I will 5 5 2 2 1 3 2 2 3 3 is 13, perfect. 3 4 15, perfect, perfect. 4 4 8 10 15, correct. 1 5 5 is 25. 1 5 5 mata 1 length of 5 mata 5 5 5 5 5 is a 25, correct. 1 4 9 is 41. How? 1 length of 4 mata 9 ಇರಬೇಕಂತ. 36 plus 2 is 38. Why it's 41? I can't guess it because 1 is 4, 1 is 4, 2 is 4. No, 1 is 9, 2 is 9, 3 is 9, 4 less than. Uh, Start index is k, stand index minus 1, k less than end index plus plus c index k where x. I have to check it. Where I am doing here wrong. I am doing a very simple indexing problem. I know that I got it. Hmm. I got it. Ah, c index k equals val is 0 and k is 4, then it will be 3. So 3 minus, it's correct, right? It's perfect, and there is no problem. And but why it's not taking it as 9? Let me check whether it is changing it or not. C index 1. I want to just check it. I want to just check it, chat. Okay, it's doing perfectly. I'll check it directly for 149. It's doing perfectly. uh, then why it's not printing? I'm just checking it whether we are replacing it perfectly or not. Ooh, it's not. It's not changing it. Fourth index has to be changed, chat. Fourth index has to be changed. Let it be index this itself, and here say k minus 1. This is perfect, I guess. 1 by 5. The sum is 38, right? We are getting it, right? We are getting it. 0 1 2 3 4. Yes, we are getting it, chat. We are getting it. We are getting it. We are getting it. We will remove this. We will remove this. Now what we'll do is, if sum, yes, what, see out. No, no, because we want odd, right? We want odd. Which kind of we want odd? Yes. But anyway, I think it should run now, but we'll check it. However, yes, yes, yes. ಓ ಈಗರ ನಾವು ಮನಿತಲ್ಲಿ Array, it is divided by 2, then why it's not giving the sum, bro? It's not giving, it's not printing out. No, why? That's the problem, man. Wait a minute, chat. Now it's printing. Okay, see out. Okay, chat. Let me check it once whether we have wrote our code correctly or not. Have wrote perfectly now. I think I wrote perfectly now. Yes, chat. It's printing it perfectly now. Okay. Yes. 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 अरे ये क्या है भाई इसका? Now it's printing right, chat. It's printing it right. But array, I am not wrote here. Now it's printing right, chat. Array, I did a very simple mistake where I can't figure it out because it's a very simple. mistake that I have did. But the worst mistake that I could have done, अरे भान दिच्चा भाई तू दिच्चा. If sum mod 2 is equals to 0, then C out n is else. Yes, that's it, right? Then have to make. Array, this is making mistake, chat. Let me. Okay. Mod 2. Array, chat, it is not saved draft. Why it's not saved? Wait a minute, chat. That's only video edit, right? Let's ask Gemini because the code we have written is working properly for the statement problem statement which he has given, but your approach works logically, but it will tell okay. The TLE thing is very okay. Vector along long a n plus 1 of 0 n plus 1 comma 0, okay. For int I equals 1 less than 1, so in the I prefix I equals to. Array, we have should we add it, Chad? We should add it. Huh? We should add it. Array, did I read the question wrong? We should add it. No, right? We have to just replace it, right? Prefix I is equals to prefix I minus 1 plus a index I. So we are taking prefix index I. What is prefix I minus 1? अच्छा, we is directly taking it as a sum, right? Okay. Mm, what he's doing here is old range sum, new range sum would be the old range sum is nothing but where okay, total sum is actually zero. Total sum is actually zero minus old. No, total sum is not zero. Used to prefix index n. Array. I forgot that I was reading question. I went somewhere else. How does changing a segment affect total parity? Calculate how changing a segment of a total parity. Calculate prefix sums and to efficiently find a range sums. Calculate a prefix sums to efficiently find a range sums. Efficiently find a range sums. Array. You have to find sums of the prefix now. Square A, get the sum of the segment to be replaced, compute the replacement sum, its length and given value, and adjusting the overall value by the total difference. Now check whether the new total is odd or even. Wait a minute, chat. What's I will ask it. What's actually wrong wrong in my code? I'm feeling very sleepy, chat. I hope you're also feeling the same thing. Sum before range, sum of replaced range. Yes, I got it. Sum after range. So why I had to find the total sum? Is there anything? No, yes. Total sum should be odd. Should be odd, right? This is sum till L to R. This is sum from L to R with K. Sum after new range. Sum after new range, right? New total sum is equals to the old one plus into k the new sum replace sum and uh, prefix of l the prefix of n minus. I want to understand what is the sum of what is the sum after what is the sum after a range in prefix sum. Okay, the sum after range refers to the sum of all array elements that comes directly after the query the range. Okay, okay, I got it. So what he's actually doing is he's taking all the inputs, he's uh, taking the old range sum is from uh, what we call it as, just a minute chat, I'll just stretch my leg. Yes, chat, I'm feeling sleepy chat. I think the stream is going pretty well, I guess. Okay. Now, prefix is just what he did, what he was asking is for each query, get the sum of the segment that should be replaced, compute the replacement sum, okay, then and adjust the overall total by the difference. Adjust the total overall, adjust the total overall total array. I am reading it in sleepy mode. Array, I should not sleep now, I should not sleep now, I should not sleep now, I should not sleep now. Query and adjust the overall total by the difference. Now check whether this new total is odd or even. The logic I will be thinking, but when we submit it, everything is a waste of time. For each query, get the sum of the arrangement of second replace, compute the replacement sum length into given value, okay, and adjust the overall total by the difference. So what it's doing is it's taking the old range from L to R and L to R, taking the difference because prefix is actually the replacing the value. So what I think it's replacing the values, and the role sum is prefix index n. Let me check. I'm the code. Which college you graduated? No, bro. I'm actually studying in my second year. I look like a graduated one. No, but I am actually pursuing my graduation. Read the query parameter. Sum of elements should be removed from original array. Sum of elements that should be replaced. Why we should calculate the sum of elements that should be removed? Okay, calculate the sum of elements. By the way, bro, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, I hope you. I think you are new to the channel, right? No, 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 bro. I am from. No, I am from NIAT. NIAT, not NIT. NIAT. Sum of remove prefix. Suffix. Sum to add. I think you also solve CP, right? That's why you got recommended of my video. Some to remove prefix, some index are okay. This is some for things that we have to remove. and sum to add is okay, which we have to add. A total sum is equals to old sum minus sum to remove plus sum to add. Old sum, what is the old sum? That which was the total of all the array before removing or adding something. We got it. Okay, we got it. Okay, I got it. What we have to do now is we have to remove this everything, and what we have to do is take an integer. No, just take an integer. Wait a minute, chat. Acha, he's just taking it as an input and just taking it as this sum. Okay, just taking this sum, and then prefix sum I is equal to sum of si. He's actually adding it, chat. For index I is equals to an index previous index plus a index I minus 1. What is a index I minus 1 here? A index I. Okay, the prefix is sum. So whatever we are actually want to add, how many elements that we are replacing, he is actually telling it, I guess. How many faltu talks I do here? N plus 1. The n is given here, and he has to take the prefix sum n times, and n is given, and then what is left? Uh, say index I minus 1. Come to the prefix. Array, why I'm taking so much long to solve this? He is taking all the sums, right? He's taking all the sums here, and then what he's doing here is taking it a prefix sum. Compute prefix sums for the array. Prefix sums will be from the n is n prefix sum, and prefix sums means sum plus a index I minus 1. What is a index I minus 1? Okay, the zero index. Okay, and then a index I minus 1 is, what is a index I minus 1? Array, I'm actually not getting what he's trying to do. I tried my very best, but I'm not able to understand. The simple code that I have written, it will exceed TLE, chat. It will exceed TLE. That's the problem. Hi Matthew, welcome to the stream. I think it's your second time, I guess, you are visiting to the stream, right? I think I know you. You came in the previous stream, I guess. Uh, explain this. Wait a minute, chat. Okay. These codes are okay. Instead of modifying the array for each given query, which causes tail, it mathematically calculates what the total sum would be if the array were replaced with k. Acha. Uh, no, bro, I am a medical student, totally beginner learning Python. What? Medical student, totally beginner learning Python from CS50p. ठीक है, Harvard's online course. Any tips to learn coding faster? Wait, your comment went. Learning coding faster to solve complex assignment. Re. First of all, that's very impressive, but at the same time, it's very confusing. You are a medical student, right, bro? I think it might be your interest to learn coding, right? Is it your interest that you came here apart from learning in medical field? Learning Python from CS. Okay. Harvard's online course. Any tips to learn coding faster to solve complex assignment? First, you have to make the basics right. Like, yes, oh nice, it's your interest means that's very amazing, bro. I'm liking coding. Yes, same here, same here. So you are practicing Python, right? So I have done Python. So you can first make your STL very strong in that. Libraries, functions, whatever it is there, taking inputs, converting sets, maps, everything. To make coding faster, just solve daily. That's the only thing that improves. Even if we solve daily, it takes a hell lot of time to solve complex problems. I, I think if you are a medical student, then you might have, but it might be hard, right, to figure out patterns. At the same time, it is also interesting to figure out the patterns. Once you get it, it's more interesting to solve the another one now. The long or sum for entire old sum. We got the old sum prefix sum. The sum in between that we are changing, right? Hmm. Then, okay. Just explain me, like prefix sum, an array where prefix sum index I stores the sum of elements from index 1 to n, doing prefix sum storing 1 to I 1 to I 1 to I 3, array where prefix sum stores the sum of elements from index 1 to I. अच्छा, prefix sum. Mm-hmm. Just a minute, chat. I want to. Uh, I'm just getting confused. Just what is prefix sum? by showing an array. I got to know the elements in between. Some of them is called prefix sum, but still I want to figure it out. Okay, index. Okay, to, why is adding from the starting? I don't. Prefix sum index 1, it will be always 0, right? It will be 0. No, it will be, it will be 0. Fruity bomb. Hi, bro. I think this is also your second. You are also the person coming the second time, right? For my stream. By the way, if you are coming, it is if it is your first time, then please consider subscribing. My English is worst. Just holds mother thing. I fumble a lot. Sorry for that. I fumble a lot. Okay, I got it. Sum is from there to there. Okay, from there to there. Uh, this is prefix sum, I guess. What the hell is awesome? Old sum there. Okay. Prefix sum is n plus 1 comma 0. For int I is equal to I plus and n I plus plus fix sum index I fix sum index I minus 1 plus a index I. What the hell is a index I plus 1? That okay, the element that we have to okay, the previous one. Okay, 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 okay. That we have to write now. Index I minus 1. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you think ChatGPT teaches better coding than Gemini? I think you should import your data from Gemini to GPT. See the difference. I used both and found GPT as a better coding teacher. Yes, but I used to do in GPT. But for me, it's like I like Gemini a lot than GPT. I have tried GPT, but Gemini is my favorite. That's that's the reason. But the main reason is whenever I go to GPT and ask it, right? No, the prompt that will be whatever we will give according to that, it gives in very pointers. It gives in point wise, right? And also I like the interface and everything about Gemini a lot, and I have fixed with this for over a year now. That's why. Just a minute, I have to send just a minute. Gemini is also a better. Sorry, GPT. GPT is also a better prefix sum that we have to add till whatever elements we want. Okay, and is this one to there we can add from one we will add, right? One we will add. Hi, Shahid. Welcome to the stream. Came by yourself, I guess. The notification came to you pretty late through Insta, I guess. Uh, Shahid, I have did not solve the problem. Just in one problem in this stream. I'm getting confused. It's very simple. I have solved that, but it is going through TLE that I have to figure it out. I am applying very for loop there. Many for loops there. Right. This will take that old. the total sum before changing the elements. And this will take, yeah bro, YouTube sent me notification to see, yeah bro. Fix sum, fix sum, index one. Sum from zero zeroth index till the nth, it will take it as its sum. But what's the use of that? Will you attempt tomorrow's due to contest? Is there due to contest tomorrow? Array, I have registered. Shahid, I have missed due 3 contest day before yesterday. I forgot it. I have registered it, but I have missed it. What stupid I am. I should have not missed it. I could have increased my rating, right? It would have went up like at least it would have reached 800 or 900, I guess. If I solved 3 questions, three, at least two. If I spent more time and solved 3 questions, it would have reached 900 rating. I missed that opportunity. You too. I regret it a lot. Another due three will come for sure in the next month, I guess. What are you trying to do? Can you give me the overall idea of what's this code gonna do? Continue to. The last problem, Shahid, I'll solve this and then I'll end the stream. Like this 00999, bro. The code, okay, I'll explain it. First, what I was writing here is there will be this array, right? He will be giving an array of this size array. Okay, we'll take this. He is giving this array, and what he'll give in the next line is he will give the starting index and the end index. Just a minute, I'll zoom it out. Okay, he will give us the starting index and the end index here. For us, it will follow the first index rule, okay, not the zeroth index. From 2 to third index, like 2 to till third index, we have to change these number to this. Like if it is 22132, we have to change it to 23332. You got it? Then it is from 2 3, we have to change to 4. Like 2 and 1, we have to change it to 4 and 4. Now likewise, 1 till 5th index, from 1 to 5th index, we have to change every element to 5. So for this, the code that I have written is, we will take him input till here. From the starting index array, where did it went? Just a minute, sir, just a minute. Ah, for starting index till end index, what I'll do, I'll change the value what he has given. We have to the input, right? We will change that index to this value, and we will just take out this sum. If it is odd, then we have to print s. If it is not, then we have to print no. But the code that I have written is, it is working. But when I will be submitting it into the portal, it is giving TLE, because I am using n square time complexity here. N square, n square, worst time complexity. So I have to make it to n. So that's why I am figuring out how can I change it to n. So the previous code that it gave me here was n itself. It's n complexity, big O n. He's taking prefix. Okay. No, total sum is prefix. Okay. Now old range sum is prefix index r minus prefix index L minus 1. The new range sum is R minus 1. Okay. Acha, the prefix. Every index it is storing the sum of its previous indexes. I got it. Every index is consisting the sum consisting the consist consisting the sum of its previous elements, so that uh, every index will have the sum of its previous indexes sum in that index. Now I got it. The total sum will be the last index itself in the prefix. Now the old range sum will be prefix index r minus prefix index l minus 1. Prefix index r, okay, end index minus the starting index minus 1, which will be, if it is 1 then it will be 0, okay, minus 1. So we will get the sum in between the indexes that we have to change the values, so that we will take it as the older sum. And now the new range sum will be r minus l plus 1, I guess, yes, into k. That will be the sum of the indexes between the array that we have to change it to the new value. Next, the new total sum is equals, okay, 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 okay. Which NIT city? Mine is Mangaluru, Mangaluru, Karnataka, Mangaluru, Mangalore. New total sum is equals to total sum minus old sum range, okay, old range sum plus new range sum. Okay, okay, okay. Now I got it. Chat. Now I got it. Let's assume we have 2 2 1. Is my leg visible? It should not be. Hmm. If my okay, if I have array, if I have just like 2 2 1 3 2, I have this, right? Now what I can do is this total sum will be 2 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 is 10. The total sum is 10 for it. It 10 as 10. Now what we have to do is the prefix sum. Prefix sum, old range sum will be r. The r will be, let's take 149. 149 will be till 1 to 4 will be, the all the indexes will be 9. All the indexes will be 9. So the before that, the all the indexes will be the last index will be of the total sum will be 10. Now the old range sum is equals to prefix index r minus prefix index l minus 1. The end index is 4 and the minus prefix index 1, because l is the starting index, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. The starting index is 1, and for starting index will be 2. The old range sum will be zeroth index, right? 2 minus, no, last index will be r, right? R will be in 4. 4, no, 2 2 1 3 2, right? 2 2 1 3 2 will be 3. 3, the sum of the prefix it will be 3, but 10 minus 2 will be 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. The old range sum is 6, and the new range sum will be uh, 9 4 is 36, so it will be 30. So new range sum will be 30 plus total sum will be 10 minus 6 will be 4 plus 34. So it is mod 2. It is mod 2. No. Yes, then we are getting no. Yes, it is correct. Then how could a normal person think about this? Then add everything, then to Just to remove one loop we have to think this much. Just to remove one loop. Array, it has very hell lot of things to study now. Just to remove one loop we have to figure out this much. Then how will we figure out more problems in the future? Let's check. What we will do now is we will first will not go as he has given, was Gemini has given. What we'll do now is we will take prefix this one, it is good, and we'll take it as total sum. Instead of this, the code here they have given is better, I guess. What they has given is they have took seen, okay, this till we have taken here properly, and long old sum is 0 and taking it as also perfect. And then after that he is taking prefix sum just like he has Gemini has took. Okay, we will take prefix sum, and then sum to remove prefix sum, okay, okay. He has given that as old range and new range. This will be the sum to remove and the sum to add. Okay, and the sum to add he is going okay, sum to remove, okay, 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 okay. Yes, Jack. I think we are good to go. We can write our code now. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. We have took this as our input, right, chat? Yes, chat. We have took our input, right? Now what we will do is we have to our input perfectly. Ah, now we will calculate our old sum. Instead of here, we will take an old int o odd sum, right? Int old sum. Old sum is equals to c index array will be little be 0, will where old, yes, 0. Now we got our old sum. We have to take now as a prefix for it, prefix for it. That should we change into long, what he has given here. Yes, we should take, because why should we take a risk up to words, right? Long int, okay, chat. Okay, I know that's it. That's okay. Now we got our old sum. Now we have to figure out the prefix, right? Prefix. Okay, we have to take a vector long int as prefix. Uh, prefix sum. Okay, nothing to worry about that. In prefix to sum in x, okay, no problem. We'll take now uh, for right, we have to take it as a for loop. uh, okay, we have to take a for loop. Then we have to take a for loop. Array bhai. uh, Wholesome we are good to take, but for loop is n plus 1 here's mine, but we can take nothing will happen. It is dynamic, right? You can take anything. uh, j is equals to 1, j less than x, less than or equals to x. Why? Because we tried it in our previous this right test case that we were trying to figure it out. We tried there. Volts or minus no, we have to change this to prefix sum index j is equals to prefix sum index j minus 1 plus c index j minus 1. This is perfect. Now what we have done is perfect for prefix sum. Now we have to go with our three inputs that we will be taking now. We will be taking now prefix sum index r minus okay, we will take r long int okay, l n m opqrst uvwc in mchat. Now what we'll do is we will now it's good. Now what we'll do, chat, is we'll compare it like he has given for sum to remove and sum to add. So okay, old sum minus sum to remove plus sum to add, right? Okay, then old अरे कौन सा भूल गया रे भाई अर्जुन सिंह. अरे bro, don't call me sir bro, I'm just a second year student just trying to code CP. By the way अर्जुन सिंह भाई, अगर आप पहली बार हमारी चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हो, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Sum to remove sum to remove, right? अच्छा, sum to remove, sum to add and total sum, right? अरे नाइस, आप भी सेकेंड ईयर. आर यू फ्रॉम CS ब्रांच? वैसे आप कहाँ से हो? सम रिमूव इज इक्वल टू कहाँ से DSA कर रहे हैं? हाउ कैन आई स्टार्ट? अरे भाई मैं DSA हमारे कॉलेज में स्टार्ट हुआ था, ठीक है. Basically they started with C++, STLs and some more, like first watch tutorial, then DSA directly. For DSA to start directly, we have to make our first any one of the language proper, right? So the standard one is C++. That's right. So we were taught to study C++ for that. Like पूरा एक सेकेंड सेमिस्टर पूरा C++ हमें दिया गया था पढ़ने के लिए. along with DSA, some major properties, major problems will be there, like backtracking and backtracking था and recursion था वगैरह. So basic DSA problems होते हैं ना, वो practice किए गए थे. हाँ, then you're good to go. Patterns वाला problems, anagrams से वगैरह. I have started following Striver lectures. You are on the way, bro. मैं स्ट्राइवर्स के लेक्चर नहीं देख रहा हूँ अभी. हमारे कॉलेज में जो भी पढ़ा रहे हैं मैं वो देख रहा हूँ बस. इधर आके CP कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्राम के जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं हर रोज आके सॉल्व करके जाता हूँ. I have my friend have recommended me to watch Strivers to improve your DSA, right? So It is a standard thing that you are doing for the striver. The striver thing is actually a standard thing, so you have to follow it. Where were we? अरे आप भी सेकेंड ईयर, मैं भी सेकेंड ईयर, क्या बात है भाई। मेरे में थर्ड सेम में है ये से। अच्छा, हमारे में सेकेंड सेम में स्लाइटली बेसिक सी प्लस प्लस पूरा था, एंड डीएसए इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था हमें। सो बेसिकली थर्ड सेम में भी डीएसए होगा, बट थोड़ा उसका नॉलेज हमें दिया गया था सेकेंड सेम में। अच्छा, अरे आपका चैनल का नाम बताओ, हम सर्च कर देते हैं यहीं। आपका चैनल का नाम बताओ, इंटरेक्ट कर लेते हैं अभी। नहीं, अगर आप स्ट्रीम नहीं करे हो तो भी चलेगा, आप चैनल का नाम बता दीजिए। अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, अभी नहीं करो। अरे ठीक है भाई, नो प्रॉब्लम, अगर आप अभी नहीं कर रहे हो तो ठीक है। If you don't have any problem sharing your channel name, is that good? Can you share your channel name? I can also check out your channel. I'll tell you जब करूँगा। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। मैं तो रोज़ करता हूँ, आप कभी भी आ जाओ। शाम को मैं, आज थोड़ा लेट हुआ मेरा स्ट्रीम करना, मेरा दोस्त आया तो उसे छोड़ने गया था मैं, बट आई विल बी ऑन टाइम फ्रॉम, अरे टुमारो नहीं बोल सकता, फ्रॉम मंडे, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू हॉस्टल, राइट। एवरी डे आई विल बी कंसिस्टेंट, आई प्रॉमिस दिस। कोड फोर्सेस लुक्स टू मी, आई डोंट नो व्हाई टफ टू मी। हाँ भाई, इसका सवाल होते हैं ना, हैवान होते हैं, हैवान बहुत खतरनाक सवाल होते हैं, पढ़ने समझ में ही नहीं आता। मेरा हिंदी खराब है वैसे, समझ में ही नहीं आता, आधा घंटा चला जाता है सवाल समझने में, बाकी सॉल्व करना में और आधे घंटे, एक घंटा से निकल जाता है। I have less knowledge in algo, so that's why I am more focusing on theory. अच्छा, which language you speak then? Kannada bro, I am from Karnataka. Prefix, sum index, no, I think yes. M, no, not M minus 1, L minus 1 थिंक। ठीक है भाई, मेरे भाई, आई सी यू टुमारो। या ब्रो, बाय द वे सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। डैम माय कॉलेज इज एचएससी मैसूर। अरे, तो शायद आपको ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೋಸ್ತ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ। ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಎಸ್ ಜೆ ಸಿ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್, no, I have not heard the name, but I know Mysore. I know Mysore. I have I have visited it. वैसे आप कहाँ से हो, मैं ये पूछना भूल गया आपसे, आप कहाँ से हो? Prefix sum L minus 1, that's good. Now we have to, nice then. You know bro, you know, you are learning little right? दोस्त सब सिखा देते हैं from it, हाँ, I thought nice nice। साहब लखनऊ से हो क्या आप? I study in Mangalore then. I have my friend in Mysore. prefix sum, index sum. Oh, cool. I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah, bro. I'll be here tomorrow then. We'll meet tomorrow then. मैं अभी ये सॉल्व करके सो जाता हूँ मैं अभी. आप भी सो जाओ, ठीक है? हम कल मिलेंगे फॉर श्योर. हाँ ये ठीक है. And make a channel to stream same as yours. Yeah bro, go for it. अभी अकेले सॉल्व करने में क्या बोर हो जाता है. अभी मैं कॉलेज जाऊंगा ना. हाय ट्रेडर ब्रो, welcome to the stream. I think why were you late? Are you were you doing your college work or something like that? Who is no? सिंह ओबीएस सेट करने में क्या ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता ना. नहीं 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 नहीं, 5 मिनट का काम है, 5 मिनट का. जल्दी सेट हो जाएगा वो. आई थिंक इट शुड वर्क नाउ. अगर आपको हमारे आगे ब्रो, यू आर फ्लेक्सिंग ब्रो. 23231 यस. अरे अरे, ठीक है ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. अरे इट्स नॉट गिविंग द आउटपुट. For how long you streaming, since when the coding thing? लास्ट सेम से मैं कोड कर रहा हूँ, बट स्ट्रीमिंग में अभी 1 महीने से कर रहा हूँ. स्ट्रीमिंग अभी 1 महीना हो, बट कोडिंग लास्ट सेम से कर रहा हूँ. बट प्रॉपर कोडिंग अभी 3 महीने हो गए, 3 महीने. ओ old some minus new some remove, what's. I think I'll copy this and directly ask it, what's wrong in this, correct it. The two critical machine, ठीक है. I don't want this. Chigate, this one is good. This one is good. This why? Ooh, I'm sorry, chat. I'm really sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Ooh, 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 ooh. For int j is equals to 0, j less than y, j plus equals pi. Yes, 1 equals 5 equals y. Yes, 4 equals 9. I got it. But this is the worst part. Just to remove one for loop, I nearly how many times? How much time? 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour just to remove one for loop. I have to add everything to this. Not worth it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ಎರಡು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆರು ಎಂಟು ಹತ್ತೆರಡು 3, 8, 13 and no credit. 2 equals 5 equals 10. No credit. 3 equals 8 equals 10. No credit. 1, 10, 2 credit. Correct. 1, 9, 900 credit. Array chat, this is the worst problem. Worst problem. Array, what was the question, chat? 1870, right? 1870 I guess. It is array. Array, bhaiya. This is different one. This is different one, chat. 1807. Sorry, 1807. Right? 1807D. 7 layer 7D. But this for this question I am not satisfied. I have to figure out everything. But this question made me that if you want to remove one loop, then you have to think like thousand ways to remove that loop. We included four long int chat just to remove it, to just to make one formula for it. So this is the worst part. So the highlight of this question is, so you have to make a formula in such a way that instead of writing one for loop, you can just increase your time complexity by big O n squared to big O n. It is increase or decrease? अभी छोड़ भाई, सबमिट हुआ, अभी सोते हैं भाई. Go to, हाँ, I have to go, I have to go. Thanks bro, thanks. I have to go now, I have to wake up tomorrow early then. Yes, is that it for today's stream? Orre, yeah bro, liked bro, we will see you tomorrow then, I guess. If anybody is watching this stream for the first time, please consider subscribing, okay? Yes, we will end a stream now, I guess. We will meet tomorrow then. Okay, Chad. Have a good sleep then. Bye bye.